I have these papers, and what we're going to do first is we're going to decide how big do we want our folio. Your folio can be as big as your paper is. So for me, it can be 6 inches. I want it to fold over like this. I have some cardstock. I have some Totally Dazzled. I have a bunch of Totally Dazzled. We're going to get to play with that. But first, we're going to put our folio together. Okay, let me get on. I have a 12 by 12 paper, right? 12 by 12 paper. We're going to turn this paper upside down like this. And I'm going to do a 3-inch pocket. Okay? I'm going to do a 3-inch pocket. And I am burnishing the fold so that it is nice and it stays like that, okay? I have what is called a scoreboard. I'm going to take my scoreboard, and we know 12 inches, half of that is 6 inches. This is where we want the fold to be, is at the 6-inch mark. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, you can see where it bends. Now we're going to fold this over like so. Now I'm going to show you a trick. I want these 2 pockets to lay correctly when I fold this up. We're going to cut on that score like that, and we're essentially making 2 pockets. Okay, now in order to fold these really well, I'm going to take a sliver of a pie slice, so a little bit wider on this side, and I'm going to cut it uneven to the corner. So you have a little bit of a V there in the middle. It's going to fold nicely and lay down. I want to cut my corners, and there's so many different things that you can cut corners with. I want the scalloped corner. Okay, so this is going to be our folio. We're going to cut a piece of 3-inch off of this. We're going to cut 3 inches off of this paper. Okay, here are our 2 pockets. Okay, I'm going to put one here and one here. Now, before we put any of this down, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to scallop the corners on these also. I'm going to zhuzh. Who likes to zhuzh? I love to zhuzh. I'm using Distressed Ink Oxide, y'all. It is ground espresso is my ink of choice, I guess you could say, for the best. Let's see, so far. Now, what we're gonna do is we're going to get our glue, okay? We have our glue. I use Beacon 3-in-1. So let's get our glue, and we're going to glue right here. And right here. Now this is what we've made. Okay. So this is our folio. Okay, we've got 4 pockets. Do y'all want to see what we're going to put in the pockets? Totally Dazzled has come out with 90 designer prayer cards, you guys. Ah, I love them so much. I love them so much. And for people like me that love to do ATC cards, like to do all the different things, you guys, look at these. And I'm going to pull out 7. I can have my folio, which is going to be beautiful, sitting right over here where I have a few little books that I use daily. And they will have, don't know that they'll fit in like that, but they will fit in my folio like this. There's 4 weeks worth of cards in here. And I have, let's see, stickers. And what I want to look for is, I actually have these stickers right here. Let's leave those there. Okay, so now we have our folio. I'm going to take these out because we're going to decorate. How we're going to decorate the front of this. I want to pick a girl that looks, this is what I have on there so far. Okay. We're going to collage some little flowers around. So you see there's a layer right there. You can see how those are, they are holographic is what they are. Okay, like that. And then now we're gonna put our pretty colors around and in that, maybe. So essentially, I'm just using Totally Dazzled as part of my collage, you guys. I'm trying to decide how I want this tied. I think what I'm going to do is tie this like, already there. Look at how sweet that is up there. So we're going to use this book to put our prayer cards in. Maybe, but this is our folio. Now, this doesn't have to be just for prayer cards. This can be for anything you want it to be for.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.